Whoiskingshawn is live.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I got a quick video for y'all. I'm gonna be bringing y'all 3 credit unions, people, that you could go do soft pull, pre-qualification, and see if they can offer you some money. So obviously, hopefully you don't have no collections, no late payments, because this is a credit union and they're a little picky. Now, the first credit union we're gonna talk about is Gesa. Federal Credit Union. They've been around for a while. I did a video on this probably about 2 years ago, but you can do a pre-qualification with them. Now, you might be saying, what do I need to do to join, right? No, all you need to do, so let's say you apply for one of their cards, cash reward card, their wires card, or even a secure card, whatever it may be. Once you agree and you accept that, then they'll tell you to open up a savings account. You can make a small deposit, and that's how you kind of basically join this credit union. Now, they will be looking at your Equifax, so hopefully you don't have a lock, hopefully you don't have a freeze on it. Now, the thing about this credit union, I will have to say that's pretty good. If you had a bankruptcy in the past, they still would accept you. Long as it is over 3 years, they will accept you. So that's the good thing about it. They got a business side. You could get some business funding. They got a business line of credit. They got construction loans on the business side. So they got a lot to offer. Again, you know, I haven't did no videos on Navy Federal. People always sending me to do more. Listen to me clearly. I broke down every product Navy Federal could possibly have. I am not doing no more Navy Federal videos, so we could forget about it. Got to learn about credit unions like this that got a lot to offer, where they got a great personal side and a great business side. Now, with Navy Federal, I will have to say they have a great personal side, but when it comes to the business side, they are lacking. I'm not going to get into that, but again, I got full breakdowns on that. But you could go to Gesa. Again, you will need at least a 675 credit score, and they'll be looking at that. That Equifax. Once you accept that offer, they will be giving you a hard pull. Let's move on to number 2, people. Number 2 is PenFed. Right now, been my favorite credit union for the past 2.5 to 3 years. I will have to say, again, you will need at least a 675. They will be looking at the Equifax, so please do not have, again, a lock or freeze. And again, they got pre-qualifications on loans. If you're looking for an auto loan, I actually had a $75,000 auto loan with them a couple years ago. Got me right in, gave me a great rate. So I have to say PenFed is my number 1 credit union. So let's say you pick this right here and you want to see your pre-qualify. You're going to hit if you're a member. If you're not a member, see if you pre-qualify. Once you click that, you're going to hit a couple things. You know, you're gonna have your personal name, your address, email, stuff like that, and they will see if they will send you offer. Again, PenFed is, you know, lenient, but hopefully you don't have nothing crazy on your credit report. They will send you that offer. When I applied, they started me off with $15,000. This card today is at $35,000. So I have to say, PenFed is a great company, right? So let's move on to the last one, people. NASA Federal Credit Union. Now I'm gonna let you know now, with NASA, they are a great company. You could go here, get pre-qualified for personal loan, auto loan, credit cards. They got a lot of offers. I'm gonna show you how you could join, and you can see check your rate right here. I got full breakdowns on all these products that I am showing you. Let's say you pick this one right here. You will click check your rate. Again, as you see right here, see your pre-qualified offer and rates in little as 2 minutes. People, put your first name, last name, phone number, email, you know, your basic information and your gross income. Hopefully you got a job. Hopefully everybody got a job, right? Now to join this, you have to go over to here. I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video if you're thinking about joining them, right? Is the NSS. Now to join, again, you could click here, join, and it will lead you over to here, right? And you see the regular membership, again, 22 to 64, $2 for a single year. If you put on auto pay, it will be $57. This is simple, and this will be kind of your backdoor to join NASA Credit Union, which is a very, very good credit union. They're known for giving out high limit credit cards. I mean, I have helped people in the past I was working with that started off with $30,000 cards. It was amazing. Again, you could get auto loans, pre-qualification. They got a lot. I don't want to go through it all, but you could go through it yourself. Everything will be in the description right here below. You see auto loans. If you want RVs and stuff like that, it doesn't matter. You know, check your rates. If you're looking for a car, they'll show you your rates overall, but it can't change once they put your information in. Again, I want to bring this quick video for y'all. People been saying to, you know, give you more videos on pre-qualification credit cards, but I wanted to do a couple on this credit unions today. So get in the comments, tell me what you think, like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.